I'm all about natural deodorant, and this one is a winner. This is the Cool Mint deodorant, and I love how easy it glides on. So I'm just gonna use the back of my hand. Glides on, totally invisible. I don't love when deodorant tugs on your skin or anything like that. Doesn't leave any residue behind. As you can see, no residue. This one smells really nice. It does have that minty smell, but I actually smell a lot of cucumber in it, which is kind of funny because I also have the cucumber sweet mint deodorant. And the interesting part is this one does have a bit of a cucumber smell. So maybe more on the cucumber, less on the mint. But I still smell a little bit of cucumber on this one, just a little bit more of that like spearmint smell. So I like both of the smells, but yeah, this one has a little more of that mint smell to it. They're aluminum free, they're baking soda free. They have really good ingredients in them. And I do find they have good body odor protection. So it does work for me throughout the day, which is really nice. And I think it helps with antiperspirant as well. So that's been really great too. I just love how easy it is to use. Men and women can use it. So if you're looking for a good natural deodorant, I think you're gonna like this one.